Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn WordPad. First of all, we are going to learn how to open WordPad. We can open in many ways. First way, go to Start, scroll down in the mouse, click on Windows Accessories and click on WordPad. This is the first way. Second way, click on Search and type WordPad in the keypad and click on WordPad. Third way, go to Start. If you have icon on Start menu, you can click on it, but we don't have icon here. If you want to get icon, go to Start, Windows Accessories, right click on WordPad, click on Pin to Start. You will get icon here. If you want icon on taskbar, right click on that icon, go to More, click on Pin to Taskbar. Now we can click on WordPad to open. This is third way. And fourth way, if you want to open by taskbar, just click on that icon, it will open. And another way, if you have icon on the desktop, but I don't have icon, if you want to get icon here, mean just drag and keep it here, it will come. Just double click on that, it will open. And one more way is there. Press Windows R in the keypad and type here WordPad in the run menu and press enter. It will open. So first of all, what is WordPad? WordPad is a rough sheet which is used to create simple document. Okay, now I am going to explain about the window. This is called title bar. In title bar we have quick access toolbar left side and right side we have three buttons. When I am going to click on minimize, the whole application will store on taskbar. Again, if you want to get back, click on it. And second one is restore down. It become making small window like this. Again, if you want to become full screen, make it maximize. Or if you don't want, you can click on close. Double click on WordPad now on desktop icon. And second one is file menu. And this is called menu or tab. Menu or tab, and these are called ribbon or comments. Ribbon or comments. And this is ruler bar, and this is page, and this is status bar, and last one is taskbar. Once again, title bar, quick access toolbar, file menu, menu or tab, ribbon or comments, ruler bar, page, status bar and taskbar. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to type the content. I am going to type here okay, I have typed a sentence here. I want to give a name for this. We don't have any name here, document is there. First I will click on file and click on save as. So you can give name here. And one more you can observe, when I am going to save as, we have here many options like rich text document, office open XML document, open document text, plain document text. Just you have to choose rich text document. Otherwise, if you click on save as, automatically it will move on rich text format. Now I am going to save in the name of evening and click on save. Before going to save, you can observe on title bar, when I am going to click save, the file save in the RTF format and it's renamed as a evening. Okay, I don't want now, I want new page. Go to file, click on new. We got a new page. Again I want to open which I have created. So go to file, open, and you can choose what is the name we have given, evening, and click open. That file will come. Okay, now we have understood about open. Again I don't want, I want get a new, I can get it. Again I want to open, you can open by here only. You can click on open and you can choose the file which you have saved here. Otherwise you can go to file and click on evening directly here in the recent file if we can open it. And the next option is save. What is save? Okay, now I am going to type something. I have typed some texts here, but I forget to save. When I am going to click on close, it asking, do you want to save changes? But here I will give you a don't save. Again open WordPad, file, open it. Now we can check it. The sentence, it doesn't save because we didn't save it. Okay, now again I am going to type here. You can type what you want here. Okay, I have typed here 3 sentences extra. I want to keep it here only. Go to file, click on save. Then you can close it. It never asks anything. Again open, double click on WordPad icon. Go to file and click on evening. Now we can observe. So what happened? It saved. I hope you are getting. Okay, in this video we have learned new, open, save, save as and introduction of WordPad. In the upcoming video we are going to learn in the next options. Thank you.